Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a triple star origami. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper as shown in the video, fold it into two equal halves. Now you have a mark on your paper. Fold the upper corner into two equal triangles. Now fold it to the bottom. Press well. Turn back, and now the same triangle step. Again, the same foldings but in a broader concept. Now fold the bottom to the top. Again from the bottom. Okay, small detailings and done. Alright, one of the piece is typically done. Now prepare more 4 pieces by doing the same steps. Now we have to join it to the other one and subsequently others. Be calm while doing it. The paper may tear if you will be rushed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, 4 corners are done and one more to go. Here it comes. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials. Now the final steps. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Okay, final touches and it's done. Some shapings for flexibility. one from behind and two from the front. Totally 3 stars.